yes guys, you're welcome to our channel. Yeah, if you're a returning subscriber seeing this video, thank you very much. And if you are seeing this videos for the first time, or you have seen any of our videos before and you've not yet subscribed to our channel, please, I don't know what you're waiting for, please do well to click the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you can join our family. Yes guys, so today is Sunday. We just closed from church and we're wishing you guys a happy Sunday. Yes, we decided to visit the Enugu Spa, the Enugu Mall, Enugu Spa. Yes, the Spa Mall in Enugu. So I'm going to give you a detailed tour of what the mall is about, show you the details of the environment in Spa in Enugu State. Yeah, so if you are from Enugu State, do well to rep your location. Do you prefer to shop in Spa or you prefer to shop
in Polo Park? Where shop right is?
I'm going to give you a detail of this mall in a few minutes time. So guys, that is it.
Yes guys, and baby is turning 1 in few days time.
Yeah.
This week baby will be 1 year, so we're also trying to see if we can get a few things we can use. We're still contemplating if we're going to have a party or if we'll just do a studio session. We're still in between, so guys, make sure you drop your birthday wishes for baby in the comment section. And gifts, we're already welcoming gifts here, so you can send gifts for baby. So we'll also be checking their kiddies section and see what they have also. So guys, that's basically it. Let's go into the mall and let's see what they have.
You're welcome to Enugu Spa. Yes, this Spa Enugu, Nigeria. So guys, Spa is located just at Independence Layout in Enugu State, just adjacent Liberty Estate, adjacent Route for those who are familiar with Enugu. You can also link Spa from Presidential Road in Enugu State. Yes, this is what the inside of Spa looks like. Yes, in Spa you can actually get a variety of things, so it's actually one of the choicest shopping complex in Enugu for most people, because you can get appliances here, you can get your groceries, you can get the provisions, you can get furniture, you can get virtually everything you are looking for in Spa. Yes, Spa is that big and it contains a whole lot of things. So just be looking through the video, you see that it will pass the electronics section, you've seen the what's it called, the furniture section, the provision. We'll soon get to the grocery section where you can buy your meat, you can buy your prawns, you can buy drinks are also available in Spa. So a whole lot. Bread also, freshly baked bread are also in Spa. Yes, beyond this mall in Spa, the Spa environment also contains Kilimanjaro restaurants and a few other restaurants, and it also contains Pep for children wears are also in Spa, and quite a number of things are available there. They also have a pharmacy just also in Spa. So I think there are about 2 pharmacies in Spa, and they have quite a big parking space as well for quite a good number of cars also. And Spa also have a cinema also just by the side that you can also chill and watch movies. They also have a car wash for those who also desire to wash their car. Yes, a majority of people in Enugu love to shop in Spa because they can get everything they want just in Spa without going out from Spa. Yeah, Enugu is filled with a whole lot of different shopping complexes, but Spa is one of the biggest in Enugu State. So if you are in Enugu State, Nigeria, and you shop in Spa, you shop in ShopRite, you shop in any of the shopping complexes available in Enugu, do let us know if Spa is your best or if Spa is your second best or your third best in the comment section. Yes, and just like my wife mentioned in the introductory video, our baby will be 1 by Wednesday. That's May 11th. So we are excited. So we actually wanted to just check out a few things in the kiddies section for him. We saw some few things that we like, so we're trying to see if we will do a mini party. So like she said, we are already accepting gift and goodies from you people. So our lovely viewers, we're anticipating you guys giving us some lovely gift for our baby. We really do appreciate it, and also send us your sincere goodwill message to him as a clock +1. So guys, this is the seafood section. You have your fish, you have some seafood, frozen food section rather in Spa, and there's a pay point over there where you buy some already baked a meat pie and some other pastries available there. These are some freshly some fruits and other stuff also available there for you to buy in Spar. So Spar is quite big and we enjoyed our shopping very well in Spar. So guys, I will be visiting Anambra State in the next few days. So if you love to see anything from Anambra State, do drop it in the comment section. And I will also be visiting Delta State by next week. So do let me also know what you would love me to do for you in Anambra and in Delta State in particular. I'll be more than glad to just do that since I'm visiting those states in the next few days time. So guys, that is it. If you have stayed with me till now, thank you very much. We appreciate your love for our channel. And if you are seeing this and you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please do well to click the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell. It was nice hanging out with you guys in Spar, Nigeria, in Enugu State. Thank you very much, guys. I'll be anticipating your comments in the comment section. I'll catch you guys in our next video. Bye.